Hi everyone, this video will explain how to run your C program in a terminal window that is locally on your own computer rather than here at GDB. So here's a simple program that reads a file and displays data on the screen. Let's just run it in online GDB first. Now I'm going to have to make the output window large first. Now I run it. And it's just read a file and displayed it here. Now where did that file come from? Well, it's over here. So I have a data file as part of the project. Note that you can have many files in your project. If you want to add a file to your project, click on this new button. I'm going to call it junk. And now I've got another file in my project. Now I'm going to remove that one. Yeah, so I have a data file and the main program. Now I want to run this in the terminal window. So let's see how we do that. The first thing you have to do is download both the source file and the data file to your computer. So let's download the source file. You have to do them one at a time. Now I have a program in my Finder. I have a folder in my Finder. It's over here under Downloads. It's just called My C Programs. So that's where we're downloading it to My C Programs. And I'm not going to call it main. I'm going to call it read file. And let's save it. Okay, now let's click on the data file and let's download that also. Now we'll just keep the same name. Now note the data file is also a C source file. It doesn't do anything, but it is C code. All right, now if we go over here to the Finder, this is a nice feature. If you right-click on a folder, any folder in the Finder, and select New Terminal at Folder, it will open the terminal window at the folder you just downloaded the files to, in this case. Now, if I want to see I'll just move this up a little bit. If I want to see what's inside that folder, I can use the ls command, which is a list command, and it shows the two files that are there. You can also see them over here in the Finder. There they are. So back to the terminal window, and I've got two of them open, so I'll just put it on top like that. All right, now if you want to see more details about your files, you can say list all, and it shows who owns the file and when the file was created, and, the permissions on it, and this is the file size in bytes. So the first thing we have to do is compile the program. So we invoke the GNU C compiler, and we give it the name of the file we want to compile. Now there's autocomplete here, so I just type in the first letter of the file name, press tab, and it auto-completes it. Press enter. No error messages, so it has compiled successfully. Now if I look at the file list of files again, there is this new file called a.out. This is the output of the compiler. And it's that file we want to run now. So if I type /a.out, it runs the program, and there's the output from the file. So this is very handy, very useful, and if you have a large program that's lagging in online GDB, it will definitely run faster over here locally in the terminal. Suppose you want to give your program to someone else and let them use it. Well, you're not going to tell them to go to online GDB to use it. You can just give them this file. Now you can rename that file. Renaming, we use the move command. So we're going to use, we're going to move a.out to, let's call it read file.out. Let's take a look at that. And now we have read file.out, and if we type read file.out, we should get the same output. Oops. Why not? Where did the file go? Oh, I don't know. Where did it move the file to? Oh, I called it read file.a, sorry. So if I run this command again, that was a typo when okay, if I call it readfile.a, then it runs the program again. So that's it. It's very simple to do and a nice thing to be able to do. If you want to clear the screen, you just type in clear and it clears the screen. Okay, that's it for now. Hope that helps. Bye.